8. Piaget's theory of intelligence. Piaget's theory of cognitive development is a comprehensive theory about the nature and development of human intelligence. He believed that children construct an understanding of the world around them, experience discrepancies between what already know and what they discover in their environment, then adjust their ideas accordingly. Four main stages of intelligence. First, sensory motor stage, birth to 2 years. Second, pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. 3. Concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. 4. Formal operational stage, 11 to 16 years. Look at this picture. Sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational. First stage, sensory motor stage, birth to 2 years. Main characteristics: the infant knows the world through their movements and sensations. Children learn about the world through basic actions such as sucking, grasping, looking, and listening. Second stage, pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. During the pre-operational stage, the cognitive development. Piaget noted that children do not yet understand concrete logic and cannot mentally manipulate information. Children increase in playing and pretending task place in this stage. However, the children still have trouble seeing things from different points of view. The children's play in mainly categorized by symbolic play and manipulating symbols. Such play is demonstrated by the idea of checkers being snacks, pieces of paper being plates, and a box being a table, etc. Three, concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. Characterized by the appropriate use of logic. During this stage, a child thought processing become more nature and the adult like. They start solving problem in a more logical fashion. Abstract hypothetical thinking is not yet developed in the child, and children can only solve problems that apply to concrete objects. Four, final operation stage, 11 to 16 years. The final stage, adolescence and into adulthood, regularly age 11 to approximately 15 to 20 years. Intelligence is demonstrated through the logical use of symbols related to abstract concepts. This form of thought includes assumptions that have no necessary relations to reality At this point, the person is capable of hypothetical and deductive reasoning. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.